What's going on, guys and girls? Today I'm taking the Bandit mini bike out for a cruise just because it's finished and I'm going to be selling it soon. Hopefully we make a profit on it so we can buy some more go-kart parts, but she's basically ready for whoever else is going to get it. So I'm going to load up. I got my camera gear. We're going to go for a ride, guys. I did change the jet to a 125. Seemed to help a little bit. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I got my debit card. I got my phone. I'm ready to go for a cruise. I'm gonna have to make a video also with my phone for a short, because I do that now too. Do shorts as well. So that's my little bag. Got my stuff in the bag. I need a helmet. Grab me a helmet. And I think it'd be nice to have the far extending mount, but that should be pretty good. No, let's get the better mount, okay? That way you guys get a better view. See if that works better. Can you see me now? Is that any better? Gets you away from my face a little bit. Okay, let's go for a ride, guys. Will this thing ride the whole way? I don't know. I hope so. You guys are coming though. You guys good? I don't know where my other helmet is. This is what we got. Try not to burn my leg. I'm wearing shorts. Not bad. I got it. Got a nice view though. Hell of a nice view. One thing I did notice is I forgot that spring. I forgot the spring for the kickstand, so as I'm riding down the road my kickstand keeps coming out. Try not to pogo on that side. Wish I had a zip tie, but I don't. I don't think I do anyways. If it falls again and I do start to pogo, I'll use my shoelace. People out here looking at me weird. It's okay though. Looks sick. That guy likes it. Okay, I'm switching you to the other camera. definitely need a spring on that kickstand. Okay, I'm going inside here for a minute, guys. We'll be back. All right, it's really hot. I'm sweating in my helmet. I got what I needed from the store though. Basically, we're done the video, guys. So thanks for watching. This is a short one this week. I'm gonna set the drone up after I get past the road here, and that'll be it for the ride home, guys. Nice drone video of me flying home. So thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, appreciate it. And if not, it's all good. Thanks for watching. Cheers.